Hello my dear students, we are doing partnership accounts. Partnership, under partnership we are doing admission of a partner. So in this, till now we have done 5 to 6 problems. Various types of goodwill we have seen. Goodwill brought in cash, goodwill paid privately, goodwill brought in cash and withdrawn by the old partners. Today we will do the problem on the third case. Goodwill brought in cash and withdrawn by the partners. Let us see the seventh question. Ganesh and Shankar are partners, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So general reserve is there, no profit and loss account balance, cash balance is there. They decided to admit Mr. Balu in partnership with effect from 1st April 2020 on the following conditions. Balu should bring 75,000 as capital, 40,000 as goodwill. The amount of goodwill is withdrawn from the business by the old partners. Building is appreciated by 20%. So 20% on 1 lakh we get 20,000. Furniture and stock depreciated by 5% each. Furniture and stock depreciated. Furniture is 50,000 into 5 by 100, 2,500, and stock is 80,000. 80,000 into 5 by 100 we get 4,000 decrease. And new point here is there is an unrecorded liability in respect of workmen compensation of rupees 3,000. What is this? This is a increase in the liability, because till now there is no liability in name of workmen compensation. Now you have to record unrecorded liability. So where to take that increase in the liability? Increase in the liability will be taken on the debit side. So same we have written here. Increase in the liability, debit side of the revaluation account. How we have distributed general reserve? 30,000 into 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. 18, 12. Goodwill also we have distributed in 3:2 ratio. We got 24,000, 16,000. So we will open revaluation account, cash account, general reserve account, goodwill account, partners capital account, and new balance sheet. We are not going to open profit and loss account, balance account, because there is nothing given in this. Let us start. First, what you have to do? You have to open cash account now, because cash balance is there. How much is the cash balance? If you see the textbook, you start from the debit side. To balance brought down. How much is the balance brought down? Cash balance is 40,000. General reserve we will take in the credit side by balance brought down. How much is the balance brought down for general reserve? General reserve is given 30,000. Then what you have to take next? You have to take the partners capital account. Partners, old partners or existing partners before admission of Balu, Ganesh and Shankar. What is their capital? 1,50,000 and 75,000. These are the capitals. Now what is the first entry you have to take now? They are admitting Balu as a new partner. So Balu brings capital now. Balu's capital account. How much is Balu's capital? Balu brings how much capital? Rupees 75,000. This entry should go in Balu's capital account by cash account. In whose account? Balu's account, rupees 75,000. Then Balu also brings what? Goodwill. In cash, no? Goodwill account. Goodwill account is how much? Goodwill is brought rupees 40,000. So we'll take 40,000. The same entry in goodwill account will write as by cash account. How much is goodwill? 40,000. This goodwill is to be distributed now in what ratio? To the old partners. To old partners. Ganesh capital account. How much Ganesh will get if you distribute 40,000 into in 3 by 5 ratio? 3:2 ratio. 24,000 is the share of Ganesh. Then Shankar's share will be how much? 2. to Shankar's capital account. How much he will get? 16,000. This is the share of Shankar. So these entries where they will be shown now? In the partner's capital account credit side by what will write? Goodwill. How much they got? 24,000, and second partner got 16,000. Now what he gave immediately, the amount of goodwill is withdrawn. Withdrawn is same ratio. No new ratio is given. No, same ratio how to withdrawn. Withdrawn entry is this one. To cash. Whatever goodwill is brought, Ganesh and Shankar, they are withdrawing. Whenever it is given withdrawn, we will write like this. A cash in extra entry. So these entries in the debit of partner's capital account, where it will be written in credit of the cash account. What will write? By Ganesh. So capital account of Ganesh. How much is Ganesh capital account here? 24,000 by Shankar's capital account. So Shankar's capital account. How much is Shankar's capital account? 16,000. So these are the two entries. Goodwill, we have three entries here because this is a case of goodwill brought in cash and withdrawn by the old partners. In the old ratio only we are distributing because no new ratio is given. New ratio is given, we will distribute in the sacrificing ratio. And the sacrificing ratio will be ratio sacrificed by the old partners for admitting the new partner. Now we will distribute general reserve also as we have done this one. I will copy paste from here. How much? What is the share of Ganesh in general reserve? 18,000. And a share of Shankar? Share of Shankar will be how much? 12,000. So this will go in the respective capital accounts. We will write here by general how much we have distributed? 18 and 12. We will write here 18,000, 12,000. Now all these general ledger entry, goodwill entries are over. Now what is left? Only the revaluation entries. Building has appreciated. No? What is the revaluation account rule? Add I said to remember ADD. Asset decrease debit, asset increase credit. Liabilities decrease, liabilities increase. So here building is increased by buildings account. Buildings account is how much increase? 20,000 is the value of increase in the building. Then furniture has decreased. Furniture account, how much is the decrease in furniture here? 2,500. Then to stock. If you keep this working notes ready, see how fast you can do the problem. 4,000. Asset we know, asset decrease debit, asset increase credit. Assets which have decreased are furniture and stock, we have debited in the revaluation account. Asset which has increased, we have credited in the revaluation account. Now vice versa, we have to take the liabilities. Here one liability is increased. So increase should be taken in the, what we will write? To workmen. That is the liability. Workmen compensation. Workmen compensation is how much? If you see that, rupees 3,000. So this is the increase in the liability. So you have to take a new liability in the balance sheet. Now all these items you have taken. Now one by one we will close the revaluation account, then cash account, then goodwill account, then general ledger account. If you see general ledger account, both the sides is equal. 30,000 is in the debit side, 30,000 is in the credit side. That is not an issue for us because we have distributed general ledger. Goodwill also, if you see, goodwill 40,000 was brought in cash. 40,000 we have distributed. It is also equal. Now we have to balance the revaluation account. How to balance? I will show you on the calculator. If you see, what is the debit side total? Approximately. Credit side is more. Credit side is 20,000. So we know that 20,000 is a greater total. 20,000 will take in both the sides. Now what you have to do? This total will do 2,500 plus 4,000 plus 3,000. What is the total? 9,500. So 9,500 will subtract from 20,000 minus 9,500. How much is the answer? Profit is how much here? 10,500. This is the profit, 10,500. This 10,500 we have to distribute between Ganesh and Shankar in 3:2 ratio. We'll get 6,300, 4,020. That's what we'll write here. To partners capital account. Ganesh will write first. Ganesh share is how much in this? How much he'll get? 6,000. I have shown you the calculation how we have taken. Shankar's capital is how much? If you check, Shankar's share is 4,200 in this way now. So this way, if out of 10,500 profit, what we have done, this 10,500 we have distributed between the old partners in 3:2 ratio. Here I have shown you the calculation. 10,500 into 3 by 5, we got 6,300. 10,500 into 2 by 5, 4,020. This will take in the partners capital account. So Shankar share. Now Shankar will get how much in the revaluation by revaluation account. How much they got? You see, 6,300, and what is the share of Shankar? 4,200. 4,200. Now what is the next? We have to balance the cash account. If we balance this one, 1,55,000. Same 1,55,000 we'll take here. Now what you have to do? 1,55,000 minus 24,000 minus 16,000. How much is the balance? 1,15,000. This 1,15,000 is the balance of cash. 1,15,000 is the cash balance. That will be taken in the new balance sheet by balance. New balance of cash by balance carried down. This is our answer. One more answer. This you have to take in the new balance sheet as cash balance, new cash balance. So I am entering here now itself 1,15,000. Now one by one we'll balance this one, so that we will get the two balance carried down. We'll get here now. Let us see how much you'll get. This is 75,000. Same 75,000 you can take here. 75,000. Balance carried down for new partner is 75,000. How much is this total? We'll see. Same 1,07,200. 1,07,200. 1,07,200 minus how much? 16,000. What is the total? It is capital of Shankar is 91,200. Now next we will do the total for third partner, Ganesh. Ganesh capital is how much? 1,50,000 plus 24,000 plus 18,000 plus 6,300. Total is 1,98,300. 1,98,300. We will write here 1,98,300. So from this you have to subtract 24,000 thousand. How much is the total? 1,74,300. We got 1,74,300. These are the capitals of Ganesh, Shankar and Balu, which should be taken in the new balance sheet. Now one by one we will prepare the new balance sheet. Cash we have taken already 1,15,000. Then bills receivable, no change in bills receivable, 45,000 is the value. Sundry debtors also no change. Sundry debtors is how much? No change in this value, 90,000 we get. Then next is what? Stock. There is a change. What is the change? What is the value of stock? In the old balance sheet, stock is given 80,000. How much value we have subtracted? Let us see in the revaluation account. We have decreased how much stock by 4,000. So 4,000 you have to subtract here. Less 4,000 if we subtract, outer column how much will get? 76,000. The next item is furniture. Furniture is also there is decrease. Value of furniture is 50,000. From that how much we have subtracted? Here also 5%. That is 2,500 you have to subtract. 2,500. So if you subtract 2,500 from 50,000, how much you will get? 47,500. All these entries you can check in the revaluation account. Buildings, how much is the buildings value? Buildings is increased by 20%. How much is 20% on buildings? Let us see. I think it is 20,000. So we have to add because building value is increased. You have to refer the revaluation account whether it is increased or decreased. You can know there, or in the adjustments you can check. So building is increased by how much? 20,000. That is 20% on 1 lakh. We got how much? 1,20,000. Let us check revaluation account. 20,000 is the increase. Increase, no? Now all this side we have completed. What is left? Liability side. Liability side, sundry creditors, no change. Sundry creditors is how much? 50,000. Then bills payable also no change. Bills payable is 60,000. Bank loan, next. Bank loan account, that is also no change, nothing is given. Then general reserve will not take, but here we will take. A new liability is there, no? This one, workmen compensation. This you have to take here. New liability will write here. Workmen compensation is a new liability for which was not recorded earlier. Now we have taken. Then we will write the capitals. Capitals of all the three partners. Who are the partners? Capital of Ganesh is how much? 1,74,300. Then Shankar. Capital of Shankar is 91,200. New partner is Balu. Balu's capital is how much here? You have to check. 75,000. Now, if you total liability side and asset side, what is the total of liability side? Let us see. 50,000 plus 60,000 plus 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,74,300 plus 91,200 plus last is 75,000. What is the amount we are getting? 4,93,500. The same amount you have to write here. Total of liability side is 4,93,500. Now let us check the asset side total. We have to get the same value. 1,15,500 plus 45,000 plus 90,000 plus 76,000 plus 47,500 plus 1,20,000. How much is the total? So something mistake, na? Wait. 1,15,000 plus 45,000 plus 90,000 plus 76,000 plus 47,500 and 1,20,000. What is the total? Same total we got now. 4,93,500. So this is the total in the asset side and liabilities side. What we have done? A new point here is regarding goodwill. Here in this problem, previous problems, if you see what they gave, goodwill was brought in cash, nothing was given more. When goodwill was brought in cash, what we have done? In the goodwill account, we will take by bank or by cash and we will distribute. No entry will get in the cash account. Partners capital account, only one side will get the entry by goodwill. Here nothing will be given. But in this, what he gave, goodwill account, the amount of goodwill is withdrawn by the old partners. Whenever it is given, withdrawn by the old partners. One extra entry outright. First, when goodwill is brought, we will write in the cash account debit side, goodwill account credit side. From here, what we are doing? We are transferring to the old partners. Till that, it is the same. Here we are transferring. When it is withdrawn will come in the debit side of partners capital account. Old partners, Ganesh and Shankar, in old ratio, 3:2 ratio, 24,000, 16,000 is their share. Debit side to cash. So in the cash account again by Ganesh and Shankar capital. This is the entry for withdrawn. Understood, ma? Withdrawn, you have to check what is given. So in this way, you have to do the adjustment for goodwill. Goodwill adjustments are important. So in partnership admission of a partner, problems, all the entries will be the similar. Only you have to pay attention for entries which are given for goodwill. You have to check what is the case of goodwill. 5 cases of goodwill may be given. Goodwill brought in cash. First one, the problems which we have done, 4th problem, 5th problem and 6th problem. In 7th problem we have goodwill brought in cash and withdrawn. This is the second case. One more case, goodwill paid privately. When goodwill is paid privately, there is no need to open this goodwill account because it is private affair. Goodwill will not enter the business. First case is goodwill brought in cash. Second one is goodwill brought in cash and withdrawn by the old partners. Third case is goodwill created in the business, created or raised in the business. So in that case, new partner will not bring any goodwill in cash in the form of goodwill, but goodwill will be created in the business. Fourth case is goodwill, that is 5th case, goodwill created and written off. Goodwill created and written off. That is also one important case. So any problem when you are doing under admission of a partner, first you have to check what is the case of goodwill given. So if you understand the cases of goodwill, very easily you can do the problems. So with this, I'll display the question and solution for some time. This is the working notes. Working notes you can write first, then you can follow this order. First you have to open revaluation account, then cash account, then general reserve. Then if profit and loss account balance is given in the liabilities or assets, you can open this account, profit and loss account. Then goodwill account, partners capital account and new balance sheet of the firm. Now in this way we have done revaluation account, cash account, general ledger account, goodwill account, partners capital account and new balance sheet. Balance sheet of Ganesh, Shankar and Balu as on 31st March 2020. So this is the method of doing a 20 marks problem under admission of a partner. So I'll display the problem for some time. Please make a note of that. Thank you.